Are you finding the demands of nursing school overwhelming? Take a deep breath, because today we're diving into some of the best tips and tricks to help you conquer your nursing studies with confidence. First up, it's all about creating a study schedule. Crafting a solid plan not only keeps you organized, but also ensures that each subject receives the attention it deserves. Resist the urge to cram and commit to your timetable. Moving on to active learning. This isn't about simply reading your textbooks cover to cover. Get involved with the material, pose questions, participate in discussions, and really engage with what you're studying. This involvement helps cement the knowledge in your mind. Next up, we're talking mnemonic devices. Those complex medical terms and procedures can seem daunting, but mnemonics can help. Whether it's an acronym or a memorable association, these tricks can make memorization less of a chore and even a bit fun. Now let's talk resources. Online forums, study guides, practice exams, they're all there to help you. Reach out to classmates who have walked the path before you. They're a wealth of knowledge and experience, so don't hesitate to learn from them. Next, remember that practice makes perfect. Nursing is a profession that requires hands-on experience, so seize every opportunity for clinical practice, labs, and simulations. These experiences are invaluable. But amidst all the studying and practicing, don't forget to take care of yourself. Nursing school is intense, no doubt about it. But remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. Get enough sleep, eat well, and take breaks when you need them. To recap, we've discussed creating a study schedule, active learning, using mnemonic devices, taking advantage of resources, practicing as much as possible, and taking care of yourself. These are key strategies to help you thrive in nursing school. We hope these tips and tricks will give you the boost you need to excel in your nursing studies. If you found this video helpful, do consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. We wish you the best of luck and look forward to seeing you in the next video.